Hi everybody, it's Carrie with your 2-minute tip videos for High Ground Solutions. Today we're going to be talking all about groups. Did you know that you can send your message to more than one group of users? That's right. Our system was designed to send messages to groups of users, but sometimes you have more than one group that you want to send to. We can do that quickly. So what you'll do is you'll just select your group right here. You'll notice that it's going to show up in the yellow bar, and next you can just select another one. And you could go on for as long as you like. If you find that you have selected too many groups or the incorrect group, all you need to do is click on the hyperlink to remove it. Click OK, and there you go. Now let's talk about how to create new groups. So here we've got our view groups. These are all the groups that we have. All the information is here. What you could do to add a group is you could come down right here and click on Add Groups. I typically have the group name be the exact same as the description, but that's just my personal preference. You don't have to do that. And then once you created your group, test group right here, you'll see it listed right there. Now what you need to do is you'll want to go over to your View Users page and you'll select users that you want to put into the test group. Okay, so we'll do that here, add them, and then they'll be in that group. And you can see up here it tells us that they've been added. Another way for you to create groups is from a group itself. So let's say I go into this specific group and I use my search by criteria to find out who doesn't have a cell phone number. Right here, I see these users. I mean, Boo Radley, does he really have a cell phone number? I don't think so. So we're going to create that new group. I'm going to click New Group, and you see right here, it's created it for me. Now that name is a little long, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to change it. Did you know you could do that? Another option for you guys is creating a group from a past alert. Now, this is important when you want to be continuing a correspondence with people. Let's look at this past email alert that we sent. And here you can see we've got 6 were successfully delivered, 3 bounced, 3 were opened, and 3 were unopened. Let's say that I wanted to keep communicating with the people who had opened the email that I sent. I can do that right here in the top right corner by clicking the Opened drop down and then creating that group. Now I have my newsletter opened and the date right here, and I can send an alert very easily by clicking this button. It's going to go ahead and auto-populate right there. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a little bit about groups and a couple tips and tricks that we had there for you. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. The fastest way to do that is to click on the beacon, click on Ask, and then you can click on Live Chat. We're always happy to talk with you anytime. You guys take care. Stay safe.